Hello everyone and welcome back. So we have understanding of how link works now, and in this video we are going to look at images. So imagine a website without images, right? It's most of the time that you visit a website, you generally see an image, right? So images are very important for a website, be it bringing them to look good or anything. Images are super important. So I'll quickly go and create a new folder in my HTML code files 03 images, right? So I'll quickly close these files and I'll go to images and create a new file known as index.html, right? So I'll be using the super powerful feature of VS Code, that is exclamation, hit tab, everything is generated, and title as images, and open with live server, right? I hope that you are familiar with this now. Okay, so inside body tag, you need to put a image, right? So we have a tag known as img that is used for image in HTML. So how to write about it? We'll explore that. But before that, let us understand how images work, right? Like like the links, we have external links and internal links. Similarly, we have images as well, local images and remote images. Like local images, you store everything in your website and website folders and link to the image tag, and in remote images you link to a remote URL where image is provided. So it works something like this. So for let us look at to the local images section. So for that I need to bring an image to my folder first of all. So let me download a image and bring it to you. So I'll go to a website known as unstash.com, which keep high resolution free usable images, right? Various creator comes here and upload their images that are free to use. It's a super great website. So let us select, suppose I select a technology category and download these images. I want to have these images in my website. So I'll go here and download. Click here to select various things that size you want to have and download it. So I'll download in small size for now. So once I have this, this image, you can give, credit to the creator of this image, and for sharing this wonderful images. It's always good to have the credit, right? So what I'll doing, I'll drag this to the folder of images, right? Even if this image is in other folder, you can always link, with the dot dot slash sign and give it to the source tag, right? So we know. So this is very pretty much long image name. So I'll be renaming it first. So let me rename it to img. So we have a img jpg that is stored in our folder. Let me close it. And right now I'll be using a local image to see in my browser. So we have image tag I talked about. So image tag and close it. That's it. So inside this image tag, we can provide various attributes, right? Attributes are the building block of any HTML tag, right? So the first one is src. So with the help of src, you can just name the images, that is image.jpg, hit save. Let's go to our browser. Hola. You can see your image, right? You can see your image that is coming up here, that is this particular image, right? But you are seeing it in a web page. So with the help of this, you brought something in your web page, right? Another tag is alt tab. So what this alt tab does is, whenever you have some network issue or anything, that image doesn't loads up, right? So this alt tab will be displayed, right? Suppose I don't have an alt tab right now. Let me remove it. And suppose there is a mismatch in name or an internet issue. You can see nothing comes up here. So user comes in and see what is this actually. So for that we have alt tag. In alt tab we can write like, image of writing. So once you do that, you can see even the image fails, but alt tab displays out here image of writing, right? So once I change this to image, and image is displayed. So once we have image the correct, it is good to go. But when we have network connection or any mismatch, this alt tag will be shown. So this looks very big, right? This image. So what you can do is there is another two tab known as height and width. So I'll be setting a width of this to 100. So you can see it reduces the size. Similarly, you can put up any height you want for this image. Like you can play around this height and width to set up image for this uh, size of this image. So there are various features that are present in width and height. So you can keep exploring as well, right? So now we have understanding of how to bring local images to our website. So let's look at how to bring remote images to your website. So let's go to unsplash.com again, and what you can do is right click on it, go to open image in new tab. So this particular is the link for this image. So we'll just quickly copy this and go to your text editor, and what we're doing is we'll be writing again image tag, right? And we have a source and alt attribute already with the power of VS Code. And in this src section, rather than providing the local image, we'll be providing the URL. That's it. So once I hit save, you can see our image is present out here, right? So similarly, you can provide a alt tag as well. The height is very big. Similarly, you can provide the height of it and width of it if you want. So you can see we can control. So this is a particular example of external image, and this is the particular example of internal image, right? Looks great. So that is for this video. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I'll be bringing more tutorials on tech